everyone. So this is the 11th session of the Advances in Food Analysis, and the topic which we'll be covering today is overview of mass spectroscopy. Okay, so mass spectroscopy, this is the instrumentation of the mass spectroscopy, one of the major branches of analytical chemistry along with spectroscopy and electrochemistry. The roles of mass spectrometry, that is a qualitative analysis, less useful than NMR for true unknown but can be applied to various samples. Quantitative analysis, often used for qualitative analysis. Main information given in mass analysis: molecular weight. The main information given in mass spectrometer analysis is the molecular weight, number of specific elements based on isotope peaks, molecular formula with high resolution mass spectroscopy, reproducible fragment patterns to get clues about functional group or arrangements of compounds to confirm a compound. The mass spectroscopy, the main components of instrumentation are ionization source, must produce ions in gas phase, separation of ions, that is mass filter, the detection of ions. Note, but most common instruments run in order 1:2 to 3, but additional fragments to generate different ions can occur after step 2, that is 1, 2, 1, 1 to 2 to 3. Mass spectroscopy is very common as a chromatographic detector. The ionization type, that is inductively coupled plasma, the phase is liquid feed, gives elements in terms of fragmentation. Then there is electron impact, EI, electron impact, that is EI, chemical ionization CI, electrospray, at atmospheric pressure chemical ionization, matrix assisted laser desorption ionization, and desorption electrospray ionization. The separation types: ion filter or mass analyzers. The mass sector has a slow speed and a basis of it is acceleration, magnetic field, and its moderate cost. That is double focusing, has slow speed and is magnetic plus electric field and is high cost. Quadruple is a fast speed, passes through the AC electric field and is moderate cost. The ion trap is fast and its basis is orbit and quadruple and moderate. Time of flight is very fast, time to travel through tube, and cost is moderate. The newer higher resolution varies in various observing orbits. The detectors. There are different types of detectors such as Faraday cup, electron multiplier, microchannel plate, and induction. Mass spectroscopy, gas phase ionization. The electron ionization, also known as electron impact ionization, a heated tungsten filament is used to produce electrons which bombard the analyte molecules, causing ionization through loss of an electron. However, M positive typically has extra energy and undergoes further decomposition, that is M star is equal to x plus y, where x and y are fragments. We can only see charged fragments, but often if M gives x and y fragments, it also may form x and y. As we can see different fragmentation reaction, that is electron ionization process. In A diagram, we can see that ionizing electron approaches the electron cloud of a molecule. The electron cloud distorts by ionizing electron. The electron cloud further distorts by ionizing electrons. Then the ionizing electron passes by a molecule. Then the electron cloud of a molecule injects an electron, and molecular ion ejected electron. The electronic ionization fragmentation examples are as follows. This is a reaction of fragmentation example, that is CH2Cl gives CH2Cl plus CH2Cl2 gives CH2Cl plus Cl, and that is a mass peak is observed at 41. Okay, and mass peak is one mass peak is observed at 41 and 51, and one other mass peak is not observed at 35. Presence of ions also depends on the stability. The gas phase source, it has a type such as chemical ionization, that is softer ionization technique, results in less fragmentation. It is possible in both negative and positive ion modes. The initial ion modes like electronic ionization, but in reagent gas. Methane mode shows below, that is CH4 plus electrons gives CH4 positive plus 2 electrons. The mass spectroscopy, the EI spectrum results as shown in the figure in more lower M by Z fragments. The electrospray ionization. The HPLC eluent flows through a nebulizer. Ions are in this solution and are guided into the mass spectroscopy region. Another soft ionization technique produces molecular ions. Also may produce doubly or greater charge, which is more common for larger molecules, that is proteins and other biomolecules. The liquid samples such as electrospray ionization, that is liquid is nebulized with sheath gas. Nebulizer tip is high voltage as droplets evaporate, charges concentrated until ions are expelled. The efficient charging of polar compounds include very large compounds, almost no fragmentation but multiply charged possible. For positive ionization, major peaks is M plus H peak. For negative ionization, M minus 1 peak is common. So this is the diagram of electrospray ionization, which is a nebulizing gas. This is a liquid from chromatograph. This is a drying gas, and electrostatically lenses focus on collimate lens, and then there is a detector. The electrospray ionization, this is the diagram and this is the picture. The ion sources for liquid are atmospheric pressure chemical ionization. Liquid is sprayed by charging from a corona needle nearby, more restricted to small sized molecules. For solid, matrix assisted laser desorption ionization. For elemental ionization, inductively coupled plasma is used. That's all for this session. Thank you.